What's up? DJ Doobie, video number 2. Just trying to make these videos really quick and post them up to YouTube. In this video, I just want to explain how we can match phrases. The first video I was matching an audio sample to another audio sample, or two audio sources. And in this one I'm going to match phrases. So, coworker the other day said "row row like a dungeon dragon." I was like, oh, that's from Scenario. That's Busta Rhymes from, back in that old school song in the 90s. And she's like, no, that's a song by Nicki Minaj. And, I know Nicki Minaj's mainstream stuff that's on the radio, but I didn't know this song in particular. So I checked it out. And I thought I could mix the two together. So I've got Busta Rhymes doing it. Now what I need to do is synchronize like I did in the first video. You need to synchronize it so it matches what's going on here, but instead of synchronizing the beats like we did in the first video, we have to synchronize the phrases. So I've practiced this already once. What I usually need to do is bring it about halfway up on the pitch slider. So let's cross our fingers and hope this mixes. And we want to skip ahead to the part where she does it again. Kind of train wrecked a little bit right there, but you get the point. You mix the two audio sources together. What I did real quick is I dropped a cue point on it. Like I mentioned in the first video, you want to make sure you bring the bass level down so it doesn't get too muddy or distorted sounding when you mix two things together. Then when Nicki Minaj says it, her phrase says "row row like a dungeon dragon," but then the next time that she says it again is "like a dungeon dragon," so she starts from the word "like." So I dropped one cue point at "row row," and I dropped a second cue point at "like a dungeon dragon." So that way I can bring it up anytime I want. So that way I just have to make sure I know when she says the phrases to time it out just right. So I play the "row row" part when she says it and the "like a dungeon dragon" when she says it. Dungeon dragon. Is enough. Row, row, like a dungeon dragon. 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 I eat your face off. Actually, the phrasing of Busta Rhymes isn't really going fast enough to keep up with her pace, so that's just something on my end that I messed up. I'd probably have to bring the pitch up a little bit more so it could keep in time with what she's saying. But usually the song that's over here that's playing out to the crowd, they won't hear if I mess up because I'm going to practice it first in my headphones. Then once I get it sounding just right, then I'll play it out to the crowd. So, just another quick video. I'll go ahead and post this one up. Peace.